So on Appointment Manager, we're going to enter in some time on here. We go to this new menu option here. We select this icon. This will activate this row that be able to enter in some time. We're going to do non-chargeable time first. So we're going to go to FASTECH as the company code. And the project will be your department. For this example, I'm going to do an accounting. We'll say we're doing administrative work. Then we choose our non-chargeable service code. And we click on the box of the day that we need. And we click on this Open Details. And you put your start time. And you can put your hours here. And you choose your cost code. You got to put a description. And you select Save. And you'll see that it's in red. You have to click the Save Data to move it up to under Appointments, and it'll be turned green. It'll be officially saved. And if we're going to be doing this same task over and over, we can add this to a favorites by clicking this icon right here with the plus sign. And it moves it down to our favorite menu. So we do not need to enter these 1, 2, 3, 4 rows again, 4 items again. So then we could just go to Monday again and click Open Details, and we could put in the rest of our time for the day. We just got to adjust our start time to when we came back from lunch. So we came back at 1 o'clock. We did 4 more hours. Cost code non-chargeable. Description. And you select Save. And again, you'll see it's in red. You just got to click this Save Data to move it up to your favorites. Now let's activate a new row. Let's say we're putting in time for a project. Choose the customer that you're working on. You pick a project number. It'll default to the labor task. And you choose your service code. And we're working on a project here. You choose a day. You click Open Details. You fill in your travel to, and you'll see that the end time starts calculating automatically. And then your work hours, actual work hours on the site, you put 4 hours there. And travel from, that would be if it's your last travel of the day. If you're traveling from the job site to home, or if you're traveling from the job site to the shop. We're going to leave that blank because this is not our last travel there. So our cost code would be project management. And if these boxes do not pertain to you, you just leave them blank. And this travel to direction, if we got this travel to hours filled in, we got to pick the travel to direction. So let's say we were coming from home to the job site for travel to. And travel from is blank. And this is blank, so that's correct. And we got to put under the description. And this description goes to the invoice, so you have to be careful with your spelling and make sure you give a good description of what you did. And you click Save, and again you'll see it's in red. You choose Save Data up here. It'll move it up to under Appointments, and it'll be green. And that entry there, if we're going to be working on this project for a week, 2 weeks, or if we want to make that our favorite, we click this plus button again. So our next entries every day, on Friday, we just go right there. We click on Open Details, and we start filling in our time. Travel to, let's say 3, cost code, our travel directions. Let's say we went from the shop to the job. Description. And that is all the required fields. We click Save, and it's red right there. You click Save Data, it'll move it up, and it'll turn it green. And that's how we add our favorites on Appointment Manager to help us save time by not entering in these again. Thank you.